Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we have another great week over at Walgreens for the week of the 21st to the 22nd of April. First thing we're going to touch on are these little boosters, valid that specific week. I have an 8 back when you spend 40 and a 10 back when you spend 40. And then this allergy one is still going around, which is a 7 back on a $30 allergy purchase, still valid this week, and it will stack with the second one. We will investigate those a little bit more on Sunday morning. Please treat this video as a preview. The full ad will be published on the 21st, along with all of the digital coupons. So we're just looking at the ad, kind of like speculating some deals, and then some deals I have the hard details on, but this is a preview of this video. Now, if you head over to your IBOTTA account, there is a rebate for a free can of La Colombe coffee. Find it in your cooler. And if you look at the bottom, Walgreens is the second store listed. It's always your miles may vary what stores you have in your region, but Walgreens is one of them. So this is a free coffee found in the cooler at Walgreens. You basically would go, pay for it, and then photograph your receipt to IBOTTA for the full rebate back. This is my favorite app to save a lot of money. If you have been on the fence about signing up for IBOTTA, check out the link in the description. When you use my referral code, I think you get a $5 or $10 bonus when you submit your first qualifying receipt. It's a tremendous app. Cheap Oral-B or Crest products at $3 a pop. We're going to get a 6 off 4 digital. So just looking at the math really quickly here, 4 of these will be 12 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay 6. Get back one $3 register reward. It makes it $3 for the 4 products, or 75 cents per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Next deal that we're looking at is the $7 deodorants by Old Spice or Secret. They are $7 a pop. So grabbing 3 of them, that's going to be 21. Subtracting the 5 off 3 digital, you're going to pay 16. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $11 for the 3, or $3.66 per deodorant. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. But you know, $3.66 isn't the worst price if this is your favorite deodorant. Obviously, look for the cheapest items. And now some hair dye by Clairol. We have an $8.99 off of 2 digital. And this is also part of a weekly deal of a $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of these. So grabbing 2 of these hair dyes at $10.99. It's going to be, or they're $10.49, pardon me. That's going to be $20.98. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $11.99. Get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it $7.99 for the 2, or $3.99 per box. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash as long as you're doing this deal with no booster. Now we're looking at a deal for the $7 Olay, either the men or the women's products. I believe we're going to have a 5 off 2 digital coupon and then a $5 register reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of these body washes, it's going to be $14. The 5 off 2, I'm sure it's going to be a 5 off 2, but we'll have to triple check that one on Sunday morning. After that, you'll pay $9, get back a $5 register reward, making it $4 for the 2, or $2 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. So now we're looking at these dry sprays. I know that those fancier acts, kind of like smack dab in the center, $3 tear pads that have been found, but just doing this with the digital coupon, 2 of the degrees for $12, subtracting that 4 off 2 digital, you're going to pay $8, get back a $2 register reward, making it $6 for 2, or $3 per dry spray. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but if you could find those $3 Axe tear pads, it would basically make those new fancier ones $2 each. Now the Colgate Optic for $4.50, we're going to have a $2 coupon probably off of a brush and a paste, and then a $4 register reward when you buy 2. 2 of these is $9, subtracting your digital coupons, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2, or 50 cents per product, and it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Okay, so this next deal is for Jennifer Aniston, or all the shoppers that really like the fancy Olay eye creams. So a lot of these are on clearance for $11 and some change. 2 of them is $23.98. Subtracting that 10 off 2 digital coupon, you're going to pay $13.98 with your debit card. Get back either a $5 register reward in store, it's the store register reward, or if you're doing this as a curbside of $5 in Walgreens cash, it makes it $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per product. Do not use any Walgreens cash, as the promotion is to spend $20 to get back your $5. Devil is in the details over at Walgreens. Okay, so now we're looking at the Gain products for $9.99. There's going to be $3 digitals, probably for the pods and the liquid detergent. Grabbing 2 of those products for $9.99 is $19.98. Subtracting the 2 $3 digitals, you'll pay $13.98 out of pocket. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $8.98 for the 2 or $4.49 per product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Cheap detergent, if you like the fancier Persil, for $6.49. We're going to have a $2 digital starting on Sunday, dropping this down to $4.49. And typically this detergent is like just under like $8 or $9. So that's a deal. And we also have a 7-pack when you spend $35 on vitamins or supplements. So pairing that with the, spend $40, get back $7 or $10, it's going to be really fantastic. And we're going to look at this for a curbside deal probably on Monday if you need to load up on those supplements. And also $6.99 to $39.99, get back $6 in Walgreens cash. What cheap item by King C Gillette will be included, and will it be 99 cents after that $6 back? That is the question that has to be determined on Sunday morning. So we're at our final week for this promotion of spend $35, either get back $10 register reward in store or $10 in Walgreens cash if you're doing this curbside on the Scott's paper products. And that dollar digital is back. So if you might have this booster, make sure you have it loaded for this deal. And we're just going to jog through this one really quickly. This is an 8-pack when you spend $40, but a lot of you have a 10-pack when you spend $40. So let's just pretend that's the one we're talking about. So grabbing 11 of these products for $42.50, have your booster loaded, which is a 10-pack when you spend $40. Subtracting the $2 digital, so one for the paper towel and one for the toilet paper. Pay $40.50 with your debit card. Shopmium has rebates for the paper towel and the toilet paper for Scott. And then so you're getting back $10 in Walgreens cash and a $10 register reward. So it makes it $18.50 for the 11 products, or $1.68 per product. And do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards, as this is a spend booster and the promotion is to spend $35 on Scott to get back $10. This is the last week to make this happen. So let's go through these honorable mentions pretty quickly. This is really fantastic that this is back, the 4 for $10 on the Tide Simply Bounce and Downy or Gain Laundry Care. So it makes it $2.50 per laundry product. That is a very good stock up price. If you're a newer couponer, definitely stock up with this promotion. A lot of these Walgreens brand products for $1.99, definitely stock up. Very good deal on those, including this 15-pack of the water. So if you need it, you're from Florida, you desperately need water, I would definitely grab a couple of those. And then Love Beauty and Planet shampoo, we have a 7 off 2. Just load that digital coupon. I don't know where it's going to take us. I obviously want to deal with this, but load the digital coupon. It might take us somewhere and you want it, so load it on Sunday morning. And then allergy, all the allergy products have very good digital coupons, and typically there's one on Shopmium, so we're going to have to triple check what kind of deals we can make with this, but there's lots of digital coupons that will be showing up for all of the allergy products. Nicorette, lots of this is on clearance, and we have like $5 or $10 digital coupons. So if you're trying to butt out, you might want to look at the digital coupons and what's on clearance at your store. You might score big. And then for the cereal, we have 2 for $5. Usually we have $1 either on IBOTTA or a digital coupon, so it would make it 4 for $2 or $2 per box. And then the soda, 3 for $15.99. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.